Hey party people. We are going to be looking at some lights. I did my makeup just for the lights. Got my Christmas sweater on, the necklace, and we're also using the gimbal today. We're using the gimbal. So let's see how this is. Oh my gosh. Flip it around. The throne. The throne. Action shot. If I were a kid, I would probably turn up. Oh, my friends would tell you, no, don't do it. And then over here, okay, so we are having inclement weather. So I don't really know how to control the gimbal. It's like it's like helicopter controls. The up is down and the down is up. So we are having a bit of inclement weather. I think it's like double red flag or something on the beach. And we're having like flash flooding and hurricanes, but we're still out here. We're still out here to see the lights with you. And we get to see the little houses. Oh my god, little houses. Okay, let me start from the end. Let's see the little houses from the very end. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Come see it with me! What are you doing? Come see it with me in the rain! Come see it with me in the rain! Oh my god, so pretty! Oh my gosh. And these are all different trees decorated by different people. Ornaments.
Yeah, I know. The weather's
It's toppled over. It's toppled. We may need to go to the car for a few. Let's go to the car for a few until it stops raining so much. Let's check the radar.
Yeah, I can figure out I much forgot I was nearby because, like, that did not last long, their little walk. And they did sound like they were having a weird conversation again up next to the car. So I was like she got in her car and was like trying to go, and he was just standing there.
Huh.
And she was like, I need to leave. And he was like, no, hang out. She's like, no, I need to go.
So she's in her car.
No. The girl just left and pulled out that way.
Oh, that okay. So she left on her own?
Yeah.
Where's the guy?
he was like going like he was following her, but I don't see him following her.
Does he have a car?
He's just stopped at the stoplight. Yeah. Oh, he is. He's following her. Same direction.
I hope they had a conversation where they were like, okay, we'll see each other.
It didn't sound like it. That's all.
I don't know.
When she first got in the car, I was like,
should
what
we,
are you doing here? And he was like, I'm like, I feel like if she was in more danger, she would have like held his hand and gone with him.
Yeah, she did hold his hand. Yeah. What am I? Yeah.
Otherwise, if she had held his hand, it'd have been everything about it was awkward.
Yeah.
I was more than ready to move in and intercept and help out. I just didn't stop in the car. Ooh.
Oh, let me show. So, this is our forecast from our weather guy. Weather guy, what say you?
I say rain.
Well,
A bunch of rain about
that
to hit
means
us
we
hard.
have to hurry up and go see the...
No. It's just going to get worse. We could wait 30 minutes and mess with it. Yeah.
Should
Give
we
me
wait?
a second.
Okay. I didn't know if it was going to get worse in 30 minutes.
I'm looking at better radars. Give me a second.
Close up of the eye look in the rain. I mean, I'm having a bit of mascara down here. But otherwise, what do you think? The freckles are freckling. Even though I haven't gotten much sun. I used a green today to match the sweater. And then this necklace is actually new. I got it from Etsy. Not sponsored, hashtag. This hashtag not sponsored by anyone. But I forgot who it's from, but I will post a link down below. It's super cute. It has a little golden heart, or a golden star rather. And this is a little green heart. And this over here, a little smiley face. And there's pearls and the golds. And on the back, on the clasp, is a little star. And this is the sweater from Crayola. They released some pretty cute stuff this year, not gonna lie. My hair's all wet now. What the forecast say for the next 30 minutes? Or after 30 minutes? If we wait 30 minutes, will we be better?
No, this is just gonna get worse.
Okay, so we should just hurry up and do it, right?
We should not go back out there, otherwise we're just gonna be soaking wet.
I do get to see the lights.
I mean, it's gonna be raining pretty nasty here for a little bit.
It's not that bad.
Oh, it is. You just can't see it. Like over here, I can see in the light. Like, it's hard to see because of the fog here.
I'll roll down this window. It's raining. Well, what if I get wet? What if I get wet?
You go get wet.
Will you get wet with me?
Okay.
Okay. Go like this.
What does this say? It's like slamming red rainbow.
Oh, so cute. Cute little town, cute little houses. And they have little people inside. Cute. Oh, and this is in the police department. Oh my gosh, they have the Grinch. It's the Grinch, guys. And the Grinch has Christmas decorations. Oh my gosh. Oh, the poor Grinch. Oh my gosh, I never would have thought. In the sweet shop. Darlene, oh my gosh. Darlene the stylist. Oh my gosh, Darlene. Oh, so each of these are decorated by different businesses. RJ's Seamless Gutters. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't believe that. We have Santa in there with the snowman. The gingerbread house. Can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. The post office. Oh, and we have a little town well. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh, a little window. A little window on the post office. Whoa, with the little worker elves. The post office worker elves. Stamps. Oh, there's fireworks. Oh my god. Yeah, even in the rain. Sled shop. Oh my gosh, they have the sled with the little elves, the little reindeer, and the little penguins.
Oh, he has a magic shop there.
And this can even open, you see that, or no, those are fake hinges. Oh, they got me. And here's Brandon Styles. Oh my gosh. With the little line and the little...
He's got a little magic show inside.
Oh my gosh. Is it on this side too? No, only on the side. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. Oh, oh, whoa, oh my gosh, all the Barbies, oh my god, Barbies being sawed in half. Oh, Brandon Styles, you mad man, you mad man. Bryant Bank.
Yep, he's got a vault inside.
Oh, a vault, oh my goodness. Can you see the vault, guys? Oh my gosh. The elf on the shelf is guarding it. We got insurance, Progressive. We got we got the actual Progressive sign. What the heck? Oh, and we got a little red truck with a Christmas tree. A little red truck crawling in a Christmas tree. And, oh, here's a troop pack supply store. Oh, okay, that's what it is. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, the little cat.
That's their,
little Mario. Oh my gosh,
yeah,
the Boy Scouts did this, and they're nuts.
Yeah,
oh my gosh, they're nuts. I see a Spooderman. No, that's a Transformer.
Derby car.
Oh my gosh.
That's a Pinewood Derby boat.
Oh my
They do
gosh,
little
the Boy
boats.
Scouts did
They race
this.
the cars and the boats.
Oh, and they have little badges. Oh my gosh.
You make those with the boats and cars by hand and race them.
Oh. And here's the fire department. Whoa, this one's nice and big. This one's 2 stories tall, guys. This one's the biggest one here. The fire department knows where it's at. I love the fire department. It's legitimately 2 stories. Wait, I can't even see in there. I'm too short.
Every time they respond to a residential fire with damage in December, they change one of the green bulbs with a red bulb every time they responded to a fire with damage.
Oh my goodness. And that's how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, we've had 3 fires and 5 non-fires.
Oh my gosh, this one's good. This one's good. Oh, they got the Grinch. They got Santa. They got cute old Santa. Oh my gosh. And they got a little red truck hauling a Christmas tree.
That church we saw a little while ago?
Oh my gosh, it's a church. It has a whole steeple. This is modeled after the real thing, guys. Is there an inside to this one? Oh. This one's not lit up, so it's kind of hard to see. The church is empty, y'all. The church is empty.
They're closed for Christmas.
They're closed for Christmas. Yeah. Let me get these last 3 houses. Got a letter, Santa. Cute little window. Beautification. The Thrifty Mouse. And we got a whole family in here. Oh, and a little scooter. You see it? Little scooter. Got Santa's workshop. Got Santa in there again. Santa's everywhere, guys. Santa is always watching. I have seen like Santa in 5 different places now. And there we have the North Pole School. Live, laugh, love. We have the tower. Yeah, we are getting drenched. We're doing this for you. And also for me. Oh, it's open in the middle and the rain's all falling through. See it hitting my hand.
Okay, so with that, you notice the Francis Hulk.
Hulk.
Okay, and also notice Francis. If you see on the billboards around town,
More.
There's a real estate agent named Francis Holt Ward. And she's one of the biggest agents around here, and she's also a local politician. You see billboards for her, like promoting her next run for office all the time. I'm not saying it's nepotism. I ain't saying it's not nepotism. The hotel over there has an entrance to tunnels underneath the streets here.
Oh my gosh.
You can actually get all around on the downtown Foley underneath the street. So yeah, this hotel, turn this way. There's actually an entrance out the back. Downtown Foley, like the Wolf, the Snook family owns that, and they own the local television company. And
Oh, that's crazy. Okay, around the side.
yeah, the old man that owned it had tunnels built beneath the town, and he had nurses that he had like armed with machine guns. That sounds crazy, but it is true. He was crazy though. He was still alive when I was younger.
Guys, tunnel theory is true, guys.
Yeah,
tunnel theory is true.
And the main intersection in town, right here, It's just, you know, 2 4-lane houses crossing it, but underneath that is a recording studio, a Christian recording studio. That's actually.
Are they still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So this little clock tower has an elevator. I don't think it will.
Does it work?
What's this though? Okay, it's working.
Because I've never done.
We've never been on this. So this brings us up across the road. Oh goodness. We've got the emergency. Got the emergency services. So yes, we are above. We are above. High above.
So yeah, we're up above Highway 59. Very cool.
So we are up above. This is the first time I've been on this. This is so cool. I've never been on like a skywalk besides like at USA, the hospital.
It is cool, honestly. I never really thought about it to come up here. They built it and I was like, oh cool, a skywalk.
Oh, there's such an old car down there.
Oh yeah.
That's so cool.
That old 57 Chevy.
Oh, and the tower. Oh my gosh. So pretty. And then we're on the other side.
Yeah.
Oh, here's
the
a
hotel.
really good view of the place you were talking
Yeah,
about.
yeah. You actually used to. There was a greenhouse out back, and when we were younger, you used to sneak in there because there was an old concrete entrance that was broken that you could get down into the tunnels.
And then you also have the chance to use the elevator here or the stairs. So we're going back across. It's actually not covered. We are getting rained on even like underneath this. It's just like graded. Oh. Boom, there we go. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will be posting different videos with shorts and I will also include those in here. Bye, party people. The party is over. All these cute houses. Got the bank. Got Progressive. And I'll be damned. We got a little red truck hauling a Christmas tree. And we got the Boy Scout troop. We got the fire department. And we have a little red truck hauling a Christmas tree. Oh, and we have a depot. We got the rodeo? Oh my gosh. And the train. Ooh, and then we have the willow. It's not actually a willow, it's an oak tree, but it looks like a willow with the lights. Can you get me? Looking good. For tuning in to this radio broadcast. Any last words? Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, although it's already over. Happy Kwanzaa, Merry Kwanzaa. Not sure if that's over yet though. Happy solstice, winter solstice. Happy winter solstice, although I'm not sure if that one's over yet either. Woo! Bye!